Shall we start the class, children? Shall we start the class? Lesson 4, saving water bodies. Yes, children, everyone take out your social textbooks. Page number 26. Yes, children, shall we start? Lesson number 4, saving water bodies. In the first page, you have the picture. The woman carrying 2 pots of water. This lesson is about saving water bodies. Yes, children, what is water body? What is the meaning of water body, children? Yes? On the planet called Earth. Isn't it, children? So, this part, one part, that is 1/4 part, is covered with land, the Earth's surface. The 3/4 of the part of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, children, Earth's surface. Okay, children, we live on the planet called Earth. Yes, children. Why? Because on the earth, the life exists due to oxygen, air, water. Life exists. Maybe animal life, plant life, human life. Okay, children. Our earth, the earth's surface, yes, 1/4 part, only 1/4 part is covered with land. That is with continents. Yes, children, and 3/4 part of the earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, children? Yes, ma, I have written on the blackboard, that is page number 26. Page number 26. Okay, children? Shall we start? Yes, children, page number 26. The sources of water. Yes, children, this first para is about Raina. Yes, children, Raina, she was a girl. Okay, children, she was looking outside from the window. Sitting in her house, she was looking from the window. The clouds were dark and it was about to rain. Okay, children, and her mother, she was explaining to Raina what is water, importance of water, sources of water. Okay, children? Yes, shall we start now? What are the sources of water? Yes, children, day before yesterday, I have drawn the picture about the sources of water. Isn't it, children, about the sources of water? Yes? You have drawn, children, in your social homework book? Yes? The picture I have drawn. Yes, children, again I will draw, children. Okay? First, each water body we will learn. Okay, children? The sources of water. What are different sources of water? From where do we get water? What are the sources? Okay, children? Most of the water is found in oceans. Okay, children? First one is ocean. It is very large water body, children. Okay. Most of the water is found in the oceans. Next, first bigger is ocean. Then it is sea. The remaining about 3%, only about 3%, you find it in rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, etc. Air also contain water. We can't see children, but in the air. Yes, galilo kuda water untadante in the form of water vapor. Okay, children? In the air also we have water, but we cannot see. Okay, children? First one is about pond. What is pond, children? What is a pond? Yes, children, you can see here. It is very small in small area, children, small portion of area where filled with water. What is a pond? A small body of water surrounded by land. Yes, children, it is very small, children. This is a pond, which is very small water body. Where surrounded by land. Here you have land. Okay, children, this is called as a pond. This is pond. A pond is a water body which is surrounded by land on the three sides. You can see here, children. This is a pond, very small water body. Okay, I'll show you the pics, children. 1 second. Yes, children, 1 second. I'm showing the pics. Yes, children, you can see the pics on your screen. This is a small water body. Yes, children, you can see here all the lotus plants and the surrounding places is covered with land. You can see here, children. These are some examples of ponds. Can you see, children? Yes? Yes, children? Next is lake. What is a lake? A lake is also a water body, but compared to pond, it is more bigger. A large body of water surrounded by what? Land. Yes, children, you can see here, it is bigger. Yes, compared to pond. A lake, a large body of water surrounded by land. Yes, children, it is also a water body. It is called as lake, where it is filled with water. Okay, children? In India, you have, in Kashmir, you have Dal Lake, where you can see houseboats, children. Okay, in Kashmir, you have Dal Lake. Example. Yes, children, Dal Lake. When compared to pond, compare with small water body, but lake, it is larger. Okay, children? Yes? A lake, a large body of water surrounded by land. Okay, children? One second, children, I'll show you the pics. One second. Choose. జర మూవ్ అవుతుంది ఇందాక అసలు రానే లేదు ఇగో ఫాస్ట్ మూవ్ అయిపోయింది. Yes, children, can you see the screen? Yes, children. Yes, compared to pond, it is a large body of water. Okay, children, you can see here. Yes, this is called as lakes. You find different lakes in India also, in the world, children. Different kinds of lakes you have. You can see, children, this is a lake. Isn't it, children? A pond, it is very small, but a lake, it is a large body of water surrounded by land. Yes, children, these are the names of different lakes you have in our country, India. Yes, children. Major lakes in India. Yes, children, you can see here the major lakes in India. Hussain Sagar Lake. Yes, children, we find it in Hyderabad. Sarurnagar Lake, Usman Sagar, Himayat Sagar. Yes, children, Kolleru Lake. These are some lakes, examples in Hyderabad, children. Yes, children. Hussain Sagar Lake, everyone went, isn't it, children? That is the example of lake. How it looks, children? Tank Bund. Yes, everyone know. In Hyderabad, you have Tank Bund, Hussain Sagar Lake. Isn't it, children? That is the best example in Hyderabad. Next is river. A flowing, moving stream of water. Yes, children, what is river, children? It flows. Yes, you can see here, river, it flows. Like this, children. This is called as river. A stream of water which flows. Okay, children? In India, you have Godavari river, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Narmada. These are some examples, children. Flowing rivers. Okay, they flow. They don't stay, yes, children, at one place. These rivers flow. Yes, children, from where do we get this water, children? When rain falls, this water is collected into this river and this flow. Yes, children, in the north also you have glacier. What is glacier, children? This is mountains of ice. When the ice melt, when the ice melt, children, it flows in the form of water. When the rain falls, children, water is collected into rivers and it flows. It is called as rivers. In India, you have Narmada, Krishna, Godavari, rivers. Isn't it, children? Examples of rivers. Images of rivers. I'll show you the pics, children. 1 second. Yes, children, these are the rivers. Everyone look here, children. Which is the national river of India. It is Ganga. Ganga is also a river which flows. Okay, children, you can see here the names. Yes, children, the most important 15 rivers that flows in India. You have Brahmaputra, Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Yes, children, you can see these are rivers, names of rivers which flow. Yes, children, in India, we have these important rivers. Okay, children, the flowing, yes, children, water body that flows into the sea. The moving stream of water is called as rivers. The example of rivers which flows in India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Kaveri, Saraswati. These are some examples of rivers. Okay, children? And which is the national river of India? It is Ganga. Okay, children? It is Ganga. Ganga river is called as the national river of India. Yes, children? Yes, ma? Now, it is oceans. Ocean is very large water bodies, children. Compared to rivers, lakes, ponds, first oceans. It is very large water bodies, very big, children. Okay. Oceans. Yes, children. Very large water body. Water bodies are called as oceans. Example, it is Indian Ocean. Yes, our country name is India. With this name, you have Indian Ocean. You have Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean of the world. Yes, children, it is Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. You have Arctic Ocean, which is very big, children. Yes, it is very big. Okay, compared to lakes, rivers, seas, ocean are very big water bodies. A very large water body of salt water. We cannot drink the ocean water, children. Why? Because it is very salty. We cannot drink salt water. Can we drink salt water, children? So this water is not for the sake of drinking. It is very salty, children. Ocean water is salty water. Okay, this water is not fit for drinking. Compared to river, children, yes, river, that water is fresh water. River water can be drink, but ocean water cannot be used for drinking purpose. So very large water body of salt water that covers nearly 71% of the earth's surface. Yes, children, this is our earth. Yes, children, yes, children, this water, yes, 3/4 part of the earth's surface is covered with water and mostly is of oceans. Most of the part of the earth's surface is covered with ocean, which is salty. Ocean contains about 98% of all the water on the earth. Okay, children, ocean, where on the earth, children, 98%. Okay, 98% of the earth's surface is covered with oceans. Okay, children, the examples of oceans, you have Indian Ocean. Yes, children, I'll show you the map, children. See here. Yes, children, you can see here, this is our India map. Yes, children, here you have Indian Ocean. Yes, children, you can see here. Okay, children, this is Indian Ocean. Very large water bodies. The water is very salty. This water we cannot drink. It is not for the purpose of drinking. Whole of the earth, children, 98% is covered with oceans. Okay, children, I'll show you the pics. Yes, children, you can see here. This is our world map. You have continents and oceans. What are continents, children? Very large land masses. Where the land is, that part, land area part is called as continents. The water bodies are called as oceans. This is our world map, children. You can see here, this is Africa, Europe, Asia, children. You can see here, Australia, South America, North America. These are continents, names of the continents. Oceans, children, this is Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean of the world. This is Indian Ocean. Fifth one is Southern Ocean, children. Recently, it was recognized by USA. We have 5 oceans. Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Can you see, children? Yes, this is our world map. Everyone see here, children? In social, you have map pointing. Yes, some names are given, children. In your exam, where is Indian Ocean? Where is Australia? You should find out. You should know which places where it locates. In science, how you have diagrams? In social, map pointing is important, children. You should know where which place it locates. You can see the pictures, children. Yes, we have 5 oceans. Yes, children. Now it is the topic about stream. What is a stream, children? What is a stream? A stream is a narrow water body which is very thin. Narrow is the opposite of broad. Yes, children. A stream. What is a stream? A narrow. A narrow flow of water. Next is well. Yes, children. In cities and towns now we can't see well. This is well, children. How it looks, children? Well. Yes, children. This is a well where underground water, we find from underground water with the help of a rope and a bucket, we drive water from underground. That is called as a well. We take out water from underground with the help of this rope and bucket. Bavi. What is the meaning of well, children? Bavi. In Telugu, you say bavi. We get from underground water. Okay, children? Wells can be neither near the surface, it can be near the surface, near the land, or they can drop up water from very deep. As children, from very deep. You have seen children, Bavi, in villages, I think you have these wells. Okay. I'll show you the pics, children. Taking out water from underground with the help of this rope and bucket. First, I'll show you the pic of streams, how it looks, children. Yes, children, you can see here. Yes, you can find out stream, narrow water body. Yes, children, we can find water is very fresh. You can see here, children, stream. In different countries, you can find this stream. The water is very fresh, children. You have rocks, stones, grass. You can see, children. Yes, children, this is a well. Yes, children, underground, deep, you have water. Yes, children, with the help of this rope and bucket, we should drive water from inside. This is the picture of well. You can see here, children. Now you cannot find these wells. You have bore wells. Isn't it, children? When you on a motor, the water will be directly coming into our taps. Isn't it, children? But this well, we have to drive water from inside with force. You can see, children. Next is rainwater. You know what is rainwater, children? Yes? When we next is groundwater. Groundwater from underneath, underground, children. Water that comes from, yes, children, the example is well, bore well. I'll give the example, children, 1 second. Yes, children, this is bore well. From underground, you get water. Underground water is fresh water, children, whereas this ocean water is salty water. We cannot drink that salty water, but underground water we can drink. Underground water is very fresh, children. This rain is also a source of water. Yes, children, we get water from the rain. Yes, this rainwater is very good for growing crops. Isn't it, children? Plants, animals, human life need water to live, to survive. Isn't it, children? Without water, life cannot exist. Life cannot survive. You can see the beautiful pictures, children. Rainwater. Rainwater is also a source of water. It can be used for different purpose. For washing car, for washing clothes. Yes, children? When the rainwater is collected, that is called as rain harvesting. Yes, children, sometimes for some years we don't get rain. What happens, children? When we get rain, we should use this water. Yes, children? You can see this picture, how the rainwater is collected and it is harvested. You can see this, children, the rainwater, it is directly collected into a, yes children, see here. So this water can, again it can be used, isn't it children? Rainwater can also be used, that is called as rain harvesting. We should not waste water, children. Yes, children. Now time is up, children. Your homework is, you read this, only the sources of water. Yes, children. Pond, lake, river, ocean, stream, well, and groundwater. Okay, children. You read this sources of water as your homework. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.